Hello guys, Games and Codings here. I always wanted to make a game, and I did make 2 mobile games which didn't go well and wasn't that good, and because I didn't do any advertising I didn't get any downloads as well. I will leave a link to those games in description if you guys want to check. But I have not made any PC games, so I thought why don't make one? I've been working on my new game for a week, and I thought to share my experiences and progresses I made to the game. So without any delay, let's see what I did in a week to my new game named Boatify. So to start, I made my new project and opened it, made a few cubes and changed its scale for a test map. And then, I coded the player. I gave the player the ability to move. Look, jump, zoom, sprint, interact, crouch, and also health and stamina. I followed this guy's tutorial for my first-person character script. Thanks, man. The next main thing is a terrain for the game. I tried Unity's terrain, but I did not like that, so I opened Blender and then made my own one, and here is what it looks like in Unity. I think this one looked better. Please comment what you guys think as well. Then I added few things like grass, trees, and other props like walls, fountain, fence, and rocks. Then I made a water shader, which is good and looks way better. I followed this guy's tutorial for that. Thanks, man. Me and my friend had a few ideas before making the game, like a story mode and low poly style. But during making it, I thought it would be better with a multiplayer as well. So I thought a shooting game. So I started coding the gun and made a gun model in Blender, which I changed later. The gun does not give us a gun feel. It is because there is no recoil and bullet trail. So I worked on that. But later I thought a lot of games have shooting in it, and I thought to change it like adding a bow and arrow and swords and things like that. This is where I thought I will change how the game should be. I have just started working on bow and arrow, and soon the game will be available in Steam for wishlist, but for that I need you guys to support me, so please hit that subscribe button and also turn on notifications, so you will be notified when my new devlog videos are uploaded. For the first week of development, I think I did pretty good, but this is my first devlog and first week of development, and there is still more to add, like weapons, multiplayer, story mode, and many other things. So guys, that's it for this video, and new devlog will be posted soon. So, please hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.